Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, men and women of goodwill. This is afternoon edition of Lamentation 78, and your original pilots still remain Emmanuel Oge Nkere, known as the Grace Year or the Sea of this year. Anywhere that you are around the world listening to me, I wish you hit the like button, share this very program across every other platforms, and do well to hit the like button. If you wish to support this very platform, you can do it through Super Chat. Now, let us go on, please. Anahe Buafi Imaka. I support the freedom of the people through Gidigam since my 15 years, before 15 years of age. I have been in this very freedom fighting. So all these ones talking rubbish on my platform, you have never sacrificed even 1/3 of what I have sacrificed. The people that you boasted today, men on the ground, we are the pioneers of underground. So, what I stand is on truthfulness. Only on truthfulness will set us free, and only on truthfulness will us get Biafra. Lies can never get us Biafra. So, what am I saying? When I became Sabo in this very Umuoko, these rubbish people, faceless criminals that cannot even show their face. I already just through the streets of Nigeria with my face everywhere. If you feel that you are fighting for freedom, faceless people don't fight for freedom. Go to the ancestors of the land, prepare yourself very well, and then embark on the journey for freedom. So when you are faceless, you're someone, you cannot even use your platform. You're a coward hiding at the back of Nokia at the 3 to call me Sabo. You're a shame. Do you think that all this gossip, when you know the gossip they touch you, wanna be completely morose? How did I get myself here? When PM got missing, some people started calling me. Even they were calling me. They started telling me when I released the prophecy that something is coming up, that I should hide myself, that I should not partake, that I should do this. Are you people not criminals? You alerted me that something was coming up, that I should not partake, that men respect me, that I should not dirty myself. The useless respect. Do you think that I come in this very freedom for you to blackmail me with you respect me? Don't get yourself so that I have come in Biafra for truthfulness, sincerity. If you are not sincere, just get out. PM got missing on 23. Una don't submit paper. Una ICC, according to waiting Vision 555 said, RCC already opened this thing and said that those who wants to lead Biafra should put their letter. At the appointed time, this CRC, when I go come tell us what happened to PM and what he is facing. Yesterday, I saw the updates by Oge Nkere group because they want to do fundraising today, so they have to lie to Biafra people. Please, this BM issue have gotten to where all of you tell Biafra people the truth. And stop telling me this, he is being restricted on the crowd. This one, we are no longer children. I am Emmanuel Oge Nkere. I do not tell lies on my platform for any reason. Yesterday, they were updating people. Finland have lifted the ban. But behold, there is something that I tweeted on my Twitter handle. Do you know, some people were talking rubbish. You got the news from Google. This is how you people talk rubbish, and at the end of the day, the news turns out to be true. You don't see what I see. I was the person who saw this problem that was coming to me. Even when Oge Nkere them, we are part and parcel of the plan. So they have to blackmail me. Don't get yourself involved in what is coming. They updated yesterday that PM, Finland have lifted the ban, that PM very soon will join us. We need the truth because from what I got from Finland direct, what they updated, what appeared in Finnish news, called Ule, If you are in Finland, you know the news called Ule. It's a very authentic news. What I got from Finland news yesterday was that Finland, police said that he will still be in prison. We need truth in this matter. No, don't come here and tell me, oh, it's not like this that you're supposed to say it. We need truth. Ule, according to news, Finnish news, which from Ule said that police said that the PM is still going to be in prison, that they are charging him for money laundering and other crimes that they called. And that yesterday, Oge Nkere, them, we are telling you people, oh, PM, they have lifted the ban from PM. Maybe they are trying to hijack PM's Twitter handle as it appeared before. You know they are criminal. So that they will update from Finland that, oh, I am Simon. They will tweet so that you people will go and begin to sow seed. I am Enable Oge. Do not blackmail these very movements. When he tried to hijack PM's Twitter handle, Oge Nkere promise somebody that will do it $25,000. And you people are there rushing, talking rubbish. One thing that in this life, we are here, and at the long run, we will see who is right or wrong. It doesn't take time. But the blackmail against PM is very deep. The same people updating you that PM is coming, that Finland have lifted the ban. It did not appear in Finnish news. Go and ask Oge Nkere them. Where did they get the news? I saw some people talking rubbish on my Twitter. Oh, you googled it. Look at the news here. I do not google anything. All of you are mad. I don't give a damn when I tell the truth. Because it is appointed unto man to be truthful. It is a mandatory that you must be truthful. Look at the news here. Look at the news. This is the news. This one appeared in Finnish news. Then I converted it. What I did was converting it to this. Because when you look up, though it is my reporter who converted it, look at it here. You look up, you look this. This is what is happening to PM, and we need the truth. We don't need the PM is fine, PM is this, PM is that. We need the truth. If it is what every Biafran should go to Finland and protest, we must protest. And I don't give a damn. All these criminals saying, oh, I was one of the pioneers of that underground that you are claiming. I was one of the pioneers of that underground. So all this, if you don't talk criminal and begin to talk rubbish, I don't mean the original men on the ground, because there are original men on the ground, not these fake internet men on the ground. And in the other way, I saw one of the Sabo that was saying non-Achishi gentle before. I saw him. And I have to tell every other Sabo, like all these ones, even if you are among these Sabo doing men on the ground, I have to tell you, if you're a Sabo, no matter what, the land of Biafra will come for you. No matter whom you are, whether you are doing Sabo for Nigerian government or you are doing Sabo for Oge Nkere, Nigerian government agent, Chineke ya go at the right time. I know they take water for our mouth. Once I come here, I preach the gospel of truth. They wanted to blackmail me. Oh, look at all of you standing men on the ground. The Holy Ghost, who you are useless men on the ground. Holy Ghost who came and tell you lies. No more native doctor now 45 men on the ground. Thank God that everything that I did have the histories on Facebook. If not, I would have been the native doctor satisfying men on the ground that ran away with men on the ground money, according to lies and deceit that he told some of you. According to the lies and deceit that he told some of you. Since my life, I have one thing that I fear very well. One thing that I fear very well is lying. I don't lie. When I stay here, I don't lie for anything. I tell you the truth. No matter whose ox is God. I tell you the truth. No matter whose ox is God. When I am preaching here, I say the truth. No matter whose ox is God. If you like or continue talking rubbish, it doesn't concern him. And I only just promise to tell you the truth. Nothing concerns me. If you like, mesurate of my platform for God knows how, it doesn't concern me. What concerns me is that truth which I'm preaching to you. Did you get the point? I am in exile. Most of these faceless demons chopping our money, building these things, they are not here. Look at our land is going. What we ask is that Biafra have been declared. Let all of us start. Let the legitimization of the terrorists start. And some people are here talking rubbish. Deceive women on the ground. Or do you think that those people who I don't want to talk when PM was here, we saw all how things were going. Now, how is things going? Things are no longer going the way it's supposed to be. When you get to Biafra land, our people are being kidnapped every day by day. Then some people are now using the struggle into ego, making money from people's blood. You went to support Oge Nkere that have already submitted a letter a day after PM was declared missing, not witty. Abi, on 22, on 23, CRC have already opened gates. Those who want to leave Biafra should tender letter. What did RCC, the people that made Oge Nkere, what happened to Prime Minister? Because they were in shoe to tell us what happened. This criminal led by Imam Madu. These criminals led by Imam Madu Abu. Conflict and Resolution Committee turned into here overnight. And you want me to support such a criminality? You will tell us what happened to PM. Because you people are in the shoe to tell us. Since you know, you are sure that PM is not going to return. Because if you know that PM will return, on 23, you will not open gate for people to tender letter. On 23, conflict don't arise. That means, which means that letter was not tendered on 23. But on 23 was when the main issue began. That means, Una don't plan this thing ahead before the kidnapping of Prime Minister. Somebody said PM did not tweet until 18. Let's say on 18. On 23 was when the issue, the real issue emanates. Vote or not voting. That you people have now opened gate. Those who want to lead Biafra should tender their paper. Please, that program that Vision 555 did, somebody should download that video because they are good at deleting videos. They are good at deleting videos. Because Vision 555 thought that he was attacking Dr. Ngozi Arabweze, but he never knew that he was exposing Oge Nkere and Enable Oge. On 23, they said, CRC said, that those who want to lead Biafra people should tender paper. And these people are still telling you, according to what they updated you, PM is coming out. But you have to replace it. Those who want to lead Biafra should tender paper so that they will choose the people that wants to lead Biafra. And they suspended them because of that criminal act. You have to tell us what happened to Prime Minister. And any criminal who claims that anybody who claims that he is supporting you people are criminals. If you have to accept a paper on 23, on 23, there have to be katakata based on you want to do election on 23, and you are suspended. It means you equally know what happens to Prime Minister. On a member more, not in a mortuary, here. Let's assume that PM return. Then tell us why he will not return. Tell us what happened, because you are very sure. If you are not sure, you wouldn't do what you did on 23. And people said, I should support that evil. I will never support the evil. Evil remains evil, no matter which color that evil came. Evil is evil. And I am a Manekore Jews. I do not give a damn who is involved in the evil. The reason why I attacked the criminals in POS was because of these lies and deceit telling to the Biafra people. Biafra people, if you want to try, follow Oge Nkere. Your work is gone. It is 100% criminality. Anybody who follows them is only criminal for betraying that good man, Simon Ekpa. You will never rise. I'm telling all of you the truth. You will never rise. All these DOS agents, all these criminals supporting you people, you'll never rise. Somebody was asking me this question. They used to ask it. Even I saw it recently. Gaddafi is paying his defense fund. Gaddafi said to PM, I will disappear you. I will tell you that I am Gaddafi. Where is your PM? Who invited the same person? Who mocked PM based on that the same platform? It is Gaddafi. They invited PM immediately after this thing. Gaddafi stayed in that platform, mocked PM direct by saying flag have fallen out of his hand. Let them deny that, oh, he's not referring to PM. But in other platforms, when PM was around, he have referred to PM direct, told him the flag have fallen out of your hand. He said it in their platform when they invited him. They never rebuked him. They invited Papa Ejima. Papa Ejima is in their call now. They refused to bring him to social media because of this thing that Enable Oge Nkere is doing. You want me to support criminals like you people. I stand 24/7, Gidiban based on truth. And if you are not on truth, get out. I don't need the somehow. Oh, somehow Enable Oge is good. I don't need it. Somehow Enable Oge is going to change and support me. I don't support criminals. If you feel that I will one day support you, I will never support criminals. Instead of me to support you people criminality, I cease to support people like you. Right from my time, I have made a vow. I will stand on Biafra truth, and Biafra will come. Anybody who is truthful in Biafra struggle, I will support that person. Not criminals like you people. I'm from here, from the temple of the grace here. Una, good evening, please.